The following graph models the baseball schedule for a week. The vertices represent the teams. Each game played during that week is represented as an edge between two teams. Use the information in the graph to solve the following problems. And number 7 says, how many games are scheduled for Montreal during the week? List the teams that they are playing. How many times are they playing each of these teams? So the Montreal vertex has 5 edges coming out of it. So Montreal has 5 games. One edge is going to New York, so they play New York 1 time. 2 edges are going to Pittsburgh. So they're playing Pittsburgh twice. 1 edge goes to St. Louis. And 1 edge goes to Philadelphia. So these are the 5 different games that they play. Number 9 says, do the positions of the cities on the graph have to correspond to their geographic locations on a map? And this would be no, because only the connections matter.